In this video, you'll learn how to add a WhatsApp chat feature to your WordPress website using the Elementor editor. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a functional button that allows visitors to initiate a chat on WhatsApp directly from your site. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and open the page you want to edit with Elementor button, which is typically located at the top of the page. Click on it to launch the Elementor editor. Once the Elementor interface is open, you will see a panel on the left side of the screen. Here you can search for various widgets. In the search bar, type button to quickly find the button widget to the desired location on your page. With the button widget now on your page, click on it to access the button settings in the left panel. In the Content tab, you will see an option labeled Text. Enter chat on WhatsApp as the button text. If you prefer, you can also add a WhatsApp icon instead of text. Next, you will need to set the button link. In the link field, input the URL format https://wayway.mm/6391 7123456 replacing the phone number with your own WhatsApp number. This link format ensures that the chat opens directly with your contact. Additionally, check the box that says Open in New Tab to ensure the chat opens separately. After configuring the link, switch to the Style tab to customize the appearance of your button. For the background color, enter the hex code #25D366, which is the recognizable WhatsApp green. This color aligns with WhatsApp's branding and makes the button visually appealing. Once you have made all the necessary changes, be sure to click the Update button located at the bottom of the Elementor panel to save your modifications. After the update is complete, you can preview your page to verify that the WhatsApp chat button functions as intended. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.